Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry today. I'm going to do a quick one take of the whole overland setup for you guys. So stick around, check it out. We'll see if we can do it in one take. That's the plan. We're going to start in the cockpit inside the side-by-side. So let's check it out. This is, for the most part, exactly how we went 2,600 miles to Glacier National Park and back. With the exception of some things in the trailer, I'll show you what I changed after I got back. Made a world of difference. So, check it out. First of all, up here I got my little rag to wipe the dust off my screens. See that? Keeps that nice and handy. That lives right up there. So, we're running the Garmin GPS on the Galaxy tablet. I keep my phone up here. This way I can keep track of where I'm at and where I'm going. This way I can keep track of any contacts, anything that's getting a hold of me. So the other thing that we did down here, you guys, I did this since the trip. I hooked up my Rugged Radio's intercom, and I've got my radio set up right down here. And then the Rugged Radios comes through here like this, plugs into that, and it's all super easy. So up here, this is just some miscellaneous stuff. I've got a water filtration system in here. I've got an extra raincoat in here. I've got some lights, different things, some hot hands in case I get cold. This is just kind of a mini survival kit, if you will. And I've got some UTV molly here. In here I've got a couple of knives and just some other, there's a bungee and whatever else, just some miscellaneous stuff so that it's not kicking around in the side-by-side. In the back, I usually keep a 5-gallon water jug down there. This is my new backpack for search and rescue. If you happen to be in Missoula area, Drummond area, Rock Creek Road area, and you found a black backpack, shoot me a message, because it's gone. I think it fell out of the side-by-side while I was going up Rock Creek Road, and we went back and looked for it several times. I think somebody picked it up. If they did, they got a good score. All of my search and rescue stuff is in there. So Missoula, Drummond, Rock Creek area, if you're in there, if you're in that area, you found a black backpack, let me know, because I lost it and I'd love to get it back. However, let's go on. So you guys know up in here, so this goes in the side-by-side, up in the front, that goes down there. Up here, I put these straps on here to hold my gas can in. You may have seen that on some of the rides. I've got my battery. This is linked up to the solar panels. I put another solar panel on the roof there, and they're probably dirty, but they're working. I got all of my tools that I need. This is my diesel heater, extra gloves, blah, blah, blah. You know, trunk storage workbox. Inside, so the first thing I did is I went to Home Depot and I got a step so I could get in and out of this thing a little bit easier. So check it out. I've got the Lion Energy over there. Things that I have to plug into 110, I use that. It works out great. Anything else that I need to plug into USB goes in right there. That flips on, tells me my voltage. Hey, look at that. I got really good power right now. Another thing that I changed since the trip is I put this little organizer over here. I got tired of all my stuff sitting there being loose. I kind of just threw everything down along here. But it's nice. I've got my batteries in here, my extra case for the memory cards. I have some treats. My glasses hang there. Let's see, there's another light that's down in there. There's the handy wipes. There's a water bottle. Just a kind of a handy little organizer there. And then I put some headlamps and flashlights up here. This is a little solar light that I got. It kind of works out good. And And also, while I was on the trip, you notice right over there, I put those bungees right here to hold my stuff in, because bouncing down the road, all my clothes would, yeah, they do that. So you guys have seen the awning. I'm going to do a deep dive into that awning coming up. Stay tuned for that. AK-40 kitchen, you know about that. That thing works amazing. I love it. So let's take a look at the back end here. Since the trip, we went ahead and put in these dividers. And what this is the same stuff that I made the siding out of, the trailer. And I just cut them to fit. Dropped some boards in there with some slots in the top and the bottom. They slid in there. And I got a place for the water heater. This is like a tarp. That is a hammock. My seat, my folding seat, also goes right up in there really nicely. This is another bin. This has got my pots and pans in it. TP. These little organizers are amazing. I built that just so that it fit those. I got lots of miscellaneous stuff in there that was just floating around everywhere. Up top, I didn't do anything different other than put the stereo in. You might have seen that in a previous video, but I took all of my shower stuff that was up here, put it inside this bag. So now I pulled my shower out, set it up. So now I can pull my shower out, set it up, and then everything that I need, the hoses, the water pump, everything is right there. So that's super easy. Opened up some more space in this little unit, and that is actually screwed down now to the trailer. So over here, we've got our power station. This is the solar charge controller, fuse panel, light, yada, 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 light. And on this side, nothing's changed over here really. We got the propane tank, we got the T-slots. This is where I hang up the shower. And yeah, you guys, I built this roof rack also. This is the multi-strut stuff from Home Depot. Built me some brackets with the plasma cutter, welded it on there, and as you can see, that's how I have the awning bolted up. So the awning goes right down through there and bolts right to the roof rack. These were some miscellaneous little brackets that I built. I was thinking of putting like fishing pole and stuff here. This had a chair on it. I don't love them, but the cool part is, because they just have those little spring brackets from Home Depot, I can pull those off. I can move them around and adjust them and do whatever I need to. So I like it. Let's see. What else is new, you guys? Nothing else is new. I think that's it, you guys. Of course, my rug for the trailer goes right down there on the ground, but it stores right there. That's where I keep it. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about my whole overland setup. If there's anything you think that I need to change or add or do different, I'm always up for suggestions. So anyway, like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's ride.